Well, days after the Supreme Court awarded a record 6 crores compensation for medical negligence, doctors are now fighting back. Leading doctors' bodies in the country have said that there needs to be a cap on the amount of compensation that should be paid because every doctor can't afford to pay so much.
Are our healers now working in fear? Sunaina Gowda, a doctor in the casualty department of a Bangalore hospital, has been taken aback by the recent Supreme Court ruling that awarded a patient's relative nearly 6 crore rupees for medical negligence. She and many others in the medical community now want a cap on the amount they can be made to pay.
Mistakes do happen. It was very unfortunate, but I think there should be a reasonable cap on how much is to be given. As it is, we are very scared. There's a life in your hand and everything. But I would be more, worried about, this is hanging at the back of my head. I think it would be the doctors earning. We don't get paid as much as, it probably would look as the Western countries and everything.
This is going to further create a panic among doctors, and they would resort to much more defensive practice. Either unnecessary or, a plethora of diagnostic tests conducted on the individuals, or due to fear of being sued, the patient may not be taken into the particular hospital.
Will it not make for a greater sense of accountability?
See, medical science is not mathematics. Lot depends on the patient's response.
In US, the maximum compensation in 20 states is $250,000. The current regulation, an American patient is better off suing an Indian doctor than an American doctor.
Medical negligence can harm and destroy lives. And there is no question that those responsible should be held accountable, should be made to pay. But there are at least two sides to every story. And doctors in India are concerned that such a high level of financial damages, should something go wrong, could affect their confidence, could affect their readiness to take on that difficult case. With Nazir Sheikh, Maya Sharma in Bangalore for NDTV.